Welcome to Hacienda Eco-Domes. This is the entrance. I'm going to take you for a little walk through the property. And this is the entrance right here, our long driveway. Some queen palms to the left. We have some fruit trees to the right. All the fruit trees are watered by fresh, clean water from wells that come from the Valle. Let me take a look. You can see the first dome. That dome that you see first is actually a storage dome. That's where we store a lot of the stuff for the guests. Linens and things like that. And if I pan to my left, you'll see the Merlot suite, and of course the main house. That's Draco on the left, and the bottom left, that's Draco, the guard dog. He's a little Chihuahua. And of course my red truck, which is a work truck, so it was Dusty. And there's a Merlot suite, and there's my Punish Studios where I do my music and run my office. Let's take a walk down this way. And you can see the area where we have our pizza oven, our grills, and later we'll have a picnic table. This is being filmed in August of 2018. Hopefully by the end of the year we'll have a picnic table, and we'll have a jacuzzi right there. You can see our olive trees. In the background you hear noise, that's the water going. If I pan around, that's the water with our friend Alex, Alejandro. He does all the gardening and takes care of the house, and does actually the building of the domes as well. Okay, so that's our front of the house right there. We have a nice patio where you can hang out. We also have another barbecue up there if you want barbecue in the shade. And let me take you a walk around there. Let's see, walk up and see. Everything here is recycled. You can see on top, this is solar panels right there on top of the patio. Everything's 100% solar powered. And our front door is recycled as well. We bought that for 50 US dollars, and we had it refinished. Yep, that's right, 50 US dollars. And all the rock that you see is locally sourced. So, and this is Betty's herb garden. It's hot summertime right now, so the herb garden is not as full as it could be. But it's a little dry right now. Time of season is the fall and the spring. Right now it's a little hot. Okay, so, but still, a vibrant herb garden with a bunch of different types of herbs that we use for cooking. And this is the back of the dome here. I'll take you back a little bit here. And we have recycling back here. We recycle all the rainwater, so this right there is the harvesting of the rainwater. It's one of our tanks. We have a tank in the back as well, and all the rainwater is harvested from the back. You don't see it unless you go back there, but when it rains, we harvest all the rainwater that goes basically into this building here, which actually is a storage tank for water, and it's about 10,000 liters. Okay, this is the back of the dome, and if I have a little bridge here, you can see where we have our olive tree garden. We just planted some new palms. We just finished our black water reclamation system. We also have a gray water system as well, so that all the water is recycled 100%. You can start to hear the water dripping. But basically, we just finished building this. We're going to make it look really cool. We're going to put some more plants here and that kind of thing. And as the plants grow, it'll all be good. But there's the water in there dripping. You can hear it. You can hear it right there dripping. There you go. Okay. And that's the black water coming out of the house. And it's all recycled, and we use it to water all the gardens and plants. Okay, let's walk up here. We are building, and we are in the process of building our second unit for rent. It's called the Shiraz. We're about 75% done. And you can see it being built here. This is going to be a nice patio area. It's all made out of earth bags, of course. And you can see it from the inside when I show it to you. Oops, sorry about that. Let me get that straightened out. I think I did something wrong there. There we go, I think. Yeah, that should be right. Let's see. Okay. So there you go, there's the Shiraz. Let me get back from it so you can see it better. That way. Yeah, okay, so that's the Shiraz right there. And you can see it being built out of earth bags. And we're going to have another house back over there. Back there we have that brick building there. There's a chicken coop back there. And up there is just nothing right now, but we're going to have another unit up there. We're going to end up with 4 units only for rent. Down in the little valley here is going to be our pool. That'll be in 2019. It'll be a lap pool down in this little river valley. It'll be really cool. And there's Betty's garden over here. Let's look at that real quick. Right below here where you see those sticks, that's going to be the grape orchard. That's one of them anyway. Small one, but we're going to have a nice big one in the back. And of course we have the chickens back there, which you'll see on other videos and things like that, pictures on our website. Okay, so that's basically our property. Hopefully you can get a good look at it. It's really neat. It's fun to build. I've been building it since 2012. 6 years. I haven't actually worked on it 6 years. I worked on it probably about 3 out of the 6. I usually spend 6 months working, then I spend 6 months in the Caribbean at my other property in the Cancun area. It's actually called Playa del Carmen. I spend time there. Love the Caribbean too. So I get to spend 6 months in the wine country and 6 months there. Generally speaking, that's kind of how I do it. But, you know, whatever works. It's all good. I get to have a good time. Okay, I hope you guys liked the video. We'll do another video of the inside of the Merlot, and we'll put that on site too. Bye.